What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So it's official. It's a full-on official. Eli Tomac and Kawasaki are not going to be a team anymore. He's not going to be on the team. I don't know how you want to say it. He is leaving Kawasaki after the last 6 years. I want to say 6 years. So this makes my last video, which was the Tomac to Yamaha, about 50% correct so far. Who knows where he's going to end up? I mean, obviously, I don't see Honda because they've got Sexton and Roxon. I don't see that happening. There might be the empty seat on KTM if Musquin leaves, because you know they're not going to get rid of Cooper Webb after just winning his second title in 3 years. You got maybe Yamaha, it was rumored or quote unquote rumored or reported, whatever you want to call it, because they might lose Plessinger. Who knows? Maybe even Husqvarna, because if Jason Anderson's gonna move on, who knows? It's the time of the year where everything is up in the air. Who knows what's gonna happen? But it's gonna be exciting. Obviously, that's a big move, big name. You know, he won the Supercross title last year, or in 19. I guess, yeah, whatever last year you want to call it. He's won 3 motocross titles with, still a motocross title to go, or motocross season to go on the Kawasaki. So who knows? He could win a fourth and be, championship leaving the team, or get a championship on a team he's not going to be on for the next year. Who knows? It's going to be exciting. Or, there's always the chance that Suzuki offers him a boatload of money and he goes over there, but that's a hit or miss. Who knows? Who knows if it's even worth the money to go on a Suzuki? But, most of the big teams, or maybe even Gas, they might introduce a second bike and have him next Justin Barcia. Who knows? There is a lot that can go on. There's only one team he's not going to be on next year, and that's Kawasaki. So Suzuki, and not Honda, so there's 2 teams. Suzuki, KTM, maybe, Yamaha, Gas, who knows? Husqvarna, there's a good chance that he could be on any team and be a championship contender right away, like he is or was this year and every year for the last 6, 7, 8, 9 years. And I'm not even a Eli Tomac fan, I'm going to tell you that. So this is big. This is big news. He's officially gone. Tell me in the comments down below, do you think where do you think he's gonna go? Who do you think is gonna replace him on Kawasaki? Anything. Tell me if you think this is a good move for him or a bad move for him. And I'll see y'all later. Peace. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment before I get there too. Peace.